Section 1. The start. You keep hearing people talk about investing, but where do you actually begin? If you're confused by the stock market, you're not alone. But in this video, I'll show you how to start with confidence, and even share some of the best stocks to consider right now. But before we go any further, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I share here is for educational purpose only. Make sure to always do your own research or speak to a professional before making an investment. With inflation eating away at our savings and wages barely moving, investing is one of the best ways to build long-term wealth. The earlier you start, the more powerful compound growth becomes. Good platforms to start with. If you're in the UK, great beginner-friendly apps include Trading212, Freetrade, and eToro. For US viewers, check out Robinhood, Fidelity, and Charles Schwab. All of these make it easy to invest from your phone with as little as £1 or $5. Section 2. Understanding the basics. The stock market is simply a marketplace where you can buy ownership in companies. Each stock represents a tiny slice of a business, like Apple, Amazon, or Coca-Cola. When these businesses grow, your shares become more valuable, and some even pay dividends, meaning they give you a portion of their profits just for holding their stock. But here's the key. You're not trying to get rich quick. You're investing to build wealth slowly and steadily over time. Start by understanding two types of investing. Individual stocks, buying shares in specific companies like Tesla or Microsoft, and ETFs, exchange traded funds. These bundle lots of companies into one investment, like an S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 US companies. For beginners, ETFs are great to start low risk and instantly diversified. Section 3. Best stocks to buy right now. Now let's talk about some good beginner-friendly stocks in 2025. These aren't guaranteed winners, but they're solid companies with long-term potential. For growth and big potential returns, Apple, they're still innovating and have huge global ecosystems. Nvidia, they're powering the AI revolution. And Amazon dominates e-commerce and cloud computing. For stability and dividends, Coca-Cola, they have consistent and pay steady dividends. Johnson & Johnson's, healthcare giants with strong fundamentals, and Unilever, global consumers products with reliable cash flow. Bonus ETFs. Vanguard S&P 500 tracks the biggest 5 US companies. iShare, IWDA, gives global exposure in one investment. These are not get-rich-quick plays. They're long-term foundations that you can build on. Section 4. What to do now. So how do you actually get started? First, pick a platform that you like. Second, fund your account. Even £50 or $100 is enough to start. Choose a stock or ETF you understand and like. Invest regularly, even small amounts each month. Hold for the long term. Don't panic at every dip. Consistency beats timing. You don't need to be an expert, you just need to start. Final notes. Don't fall for the hype or chase trends. Focus on quality, then think long term. And let compound interest do the heavy lifting. That's how wealth is built.